Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to see best performing product on Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to see best performing product on Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to see best performing product on Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to see best performing product on Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Seeing best performing product on Shopify is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons on left corner. Click on Analytics. Scroll down. Here in top selling product section, you are seeing your top selling and best performing products. There you go. If you wanted to know how to see best performing products on Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.